Korea's ruling party just backed away from banning third terms for financial holding chiefs. Pause. A third term would instead need unanimous consent from the board's nomination committee. A second term would need 75%. Fixed-rate loans fell to 31.9% of new mortgage lending in July. And the new fifth-generation health insurance product is not pulling old policyholders across. It's Thursday, August 27th. Let's break down what's happening in Korea's financial sector. A Democratic Party official told Seoul Economic Daily on August 26th that the governance bill is being reworked. Concerns inside the ruling bloc about constitutionality and a parliamentary point that a blanket ban does not match global standards change the approach. Lawmakers are also weighing whether a third term should require a special resolution at the annual meeting. Here's what the numbers show. 100% consent from the nomination committee is the proposed condition for a third term, with 75% for a second. The Bank of Korea put the fixed-rate share of new bank mortgages at 31.9% in July, down 5.8 percentage points from June. Matter of fact, that share has now fallen for 9 straight months from 90.2% last November, the lowest reading since February 2014. 9 major non-life insurers took in 183,218 fifth-generation health policies from the May launch through the end of July. New sign-ups made up 73.3%, voluntary switches 15%, or 27,474 contracts, and fourth-generation renewals 11.7%. Heavy rain in southern Korea flooded more than 2,500 vehicles, with estimated claims of 22.9 billion won, about $17 million. So what does this mean for bank analysts and compliance teams? Earlier, we said fixed-rate loans fell to 31.9% of new mortgage lending. Here's what that actually means for you. Households are taking the cheaper floating rate today, which pushes interest rate risk onto borrowers and makes bank margins more sensitive to the next policy move. On governance, a unanimity rule inside the nomination committee hands a single outside director real veto power over succession. Watch the National Assembly Committee text for the final consent threshold. Watch August mortgage data for a further slide in the fixed-rate share. Watch second-half auto insurance loss ratios, already at 85% through July. That's today's AI Prism Finance Daily. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Juan Ifra award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.